Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 8a. So let's quickly open this device. And now we are inside. So it actually comes, in my case, with this beautiful green color. So that's how it looks. There is the aluminum frame, the two cameras. And now let's remove the foil. That's also how it looks from the front. We have to get rid of this part. There we go. Now let's focus on the phone, and after this we'll go back into the box and check for some accessories. So on the right side we can find the power button, there's like volume button. At the bottom we can find USB-C port, speakers. On the left side there's the SIM slot. And at the top we can find the microphone. Now let's turn on the device. We've got actually big bezels all around the screen. You can see it right now, especially when the screen is turned on. We've got Google logo. But now let's move into the box accessories. So we can find this adapter for the cable, the USB-C to USB-A. Of course we can find this cable. This is double USB-C cable. And right here we got the SIM tool. And inside we'll probably be able to find some warranty and the user manual, the basic safety. Yeah, nothing interesting, so I'm gonna put it here. And this smartphone comes, let's turn on the screen, get started. There we go. So this smartphone actually comes without the factory installed protection on the screen, so there's like no any foil or something like this. And also there is no charger in the box, there is no headphones, so we've got only cable, adapter and user manual. So the screen is actually OLED screen with the 6.1 inches. Also we've got the battery, so this is actually the 4492 milliampere hours. We can find here also the 8 gigs of the RAM, and we've got two storage versions, the 128 or 256 gigs of the internal storage. On the smartphone we can also find the IP67, so this is actually waterproof smartphone, and we can also find on the display the 120 Hz refresh rate. The protection of this display, this is actually the Corning Gorilla Glass 3rd generation. And if you wonder about the GPU, so we can find here the Google Tensor G3. We can input here two SIM cards, and also we can activate eSIM. It comes with the Android 14, and that will be basically all. Right now please subscribe to my channel, and if you are looking for more videos about this device, you can just go into my channel, open a search engine and input all of these phrases that you are looking for.